So today we're going to work on some ramps that I made previously. They broke because, well, I used them and they broke. So we're going to reinforce them with some angle iron. So we're going to do some grinding, do some cutting with angle iron, then welding, and then it should be all done. So let's get to it. So we have our angle iron right here, little guy right here. We're going to cut at random lengths. Doesn't really matter how long, maybe 5 inches at most on all this. I have a couple of these, so we'll have a few bars to weld, and yeah, we'll get to cutting. Okay, so we have our cut pieces. We have 2, 3. It actually worked out pretty well. 3 for each one. Yeah, 3 angle iron for each ramp. That should work just fine. So let's bring out the ramp, bring out the grinder, and start cleaning everything up. These are the ramps. As you can see, they're kind of broken right now. This is, quiet you. This was one of the first things I ever really welded because I just got the welder. I want to practice out welding. And they lasted about 5 months, 4.5 roughly. But yeah, they're not in the best shape right now. I gotta grind off all these weld marks on this one at least. This one's not too bad because I only have like a little spot to reinforce, re-weld that right there. This guy, take off all the welding right here. Same with that one as well. Put the plate back, clamp it on, tack weld it again. Re-weld that guy to it, and yeah, car. So after re-tagging this on and just redoing the welds on it, grind it, put the angle iron on it, and then grind it again. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Let's start grinding. All right, 3, 2, 1, contact. All right, it's time to grind down these welds, stick on the new plate, re-weld it, or weld the plate onto it, not re-weld it, and then that's reinforced and good to go. Well, that looks like a solid piece of metal now. Hopefully after getting better at welding, you know, they stay longer. Oh, it's perfect grind too. Nice. Not too bad there. But yeah, I'll show you guys the weld because I can't see it. Got a little hot from the grinding. Yeah. There's the weld. 3, 2, 1, contact. So these welds are done, they're reinforced now. They should be good. We'll take a close look at them. And then I'll speed through the other one. So these are the welds. I think they look decent. At least strong enough for this stuff. Yeah, semantics. But yeah, so I'm just gonna grind these spots, those two, weld, call it good. Well, I gotta weld them together, but yeah, whatever. Gonna fix this up. I did have a spare piece of this lying around, so we're gonna use that as the replacement for right here. The legs, or braces, I guess, whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, let's get to welding. Well, we'll get this lined up and welded real quick, and then we'll work on that side. So yeah, I didn't realize one of these bars was missing, and I had an extra.
Yeah, one of them got ripped off.
Yeah, but I have an extra. That's good.
So you fixed the really fucked up one?
Yeah, and guess what? I used that really long clamp to straighten this because it was bent weirdly.
And then you can put it back in the shed.
No, I can't. I'm gonna use it again.
How dare you?
How dare you, sir?
What the fuck is this useless garbage? I see my own ugly face.
Perfect. Ready? 3, 2.
I can't see.
You will in a second. Contact. I spend more time on this because this is thicker than that, so I go 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1.
Gosh,
yeah. Just because this is thicker metal than that, and this burns really easily. But I want the weld to penetrate here, that's why I'm leaving it longer on this one.
That makes sense.
Welding, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so the welds are done now. That's how they look.
So here it is, all done, both of them at least. This one, I'm just showing you because I'm holding it right now. Double welds, we have the main weld and then the plate weld for reinforcement on both sides. This one kept breaking the most. I think this one broke 4 times already. So this time we're doing the plates. I don't want to break in. That one behind me, it just like cracked, but it didn't break all the way. But I still grinded it, reinforced it. So I think this can handle dirt bikes, 4-wheelers, razors, sand rails, another car, a boat, whatever you want to put on here. I think that can handle the weight. So yeah, if you guys liked it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to help me out. It does help out a lot. And if you guys would do this differently, please let me know. I do want to learn more on how to do this. So if you guys have a better way to do this, let me know. And that's how you know it's been replaced and repaired. See ya.